Can you clean up? Do you love the duck? Do you love the duck? Quack, quack, quack.
You silly girl. What else is in there?
Do you see the bee?
Oh. It's a new one for your car seat.
The ladybug. Ever seen a dancing ladybug?
What else is in there?
Neil, are you so happy or just cackling? Are you videoing? Now you got the duck. Let's see, what else we got? Movies? She's got that wing going. Quack, quack, quack. Quack, quack, quack. You have new shoes?
Those are pretty.
Oh, shiny shoes. There's another shiny shoe.
You want your shoes?
Like Mama, you get new shoes for every occasion.
It's an A, I
This
think.
is an A.
To go in your room.
Here's your book. Oh, how does the A taste? Let's see what else we've got. Oh, little people. We've got some little people. Last but not least, we have her book.
Princess baby.
Alright, let's see if you want the duck back. Quack, quack, quack. Chew on the duck's nose.